In a few days' time, the 9th of January, we will complete 4 years since the announcement of the establishment of the Commission. And 3 years of that period was the hearing of oral evidence by the Commission. I know that most of you, if not all of you, and the public would have liked that today we would be handing over a complete report. We too would have liked that. But it has not been possible, but we will deliver part 1 of the report.
This is what I would call a defining moment in our country's effort to definitely end the era of state capture and to restore the integrity and credibility and the capability of our institutions, but more importantly, our government. The formal handover of the first part of the report of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture, corruption and fraud in the public sector takes place nearly 4 years since the establishment of the Commission. It has seemed like an extremely long period, and it has. But finally we have arrived at this moment when Acting Chief Justice Zondo has now handed over the first part of the report. This occasion marks the beginning of the final phase of the Commission's work.